There is a famous saying by Benjamin Franklin: an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Basically, a little effort in preventing a crisis is better than lots of effort in handling the crisis. In this talk, we will provide you 7 tips to prevent any viral attack on your system, including COVID 19. COVID 19 is a type of coronavirus, which is the cause behind the current pandemic that started in 2019. We will simply call it COVID in this presentation. The steps we are going to tell you are natural, safe, time-tested, and economical. We will also tell you how to easily incorporate them into your daily routine and protect your system. We will also tell you why they work. Please note that you have to continue to use usual guidelines like using a face mask, maintain a social distance, and stay at home as much as possible. Let's go ahead with our 7 natural tips. First tip: steam inhalation with plain water. Boil water till steam is generated. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam through your nose and mouth. Keep your eyes closed. Don't overdo it. Steam inhalation will keep your respiratory tract active. If you are infected, steam inhalation will inactivate the virus in your nasal tract. There are 3 doorways through which the virus is entering our system: eyes, nose, and mouth. Among these, it is via the nose that the virus reaches our lungs. Using steam inhalation, we can inactivate it at the nasal passage itself. The virus remains in your nasal tract before moving towards the lungs, so weakening it at that stage will protect the lungs. Do it for a few minutes, twice or thrice daily. This can be the single most effective tip if you have to choose just one. Second tip: gargle with salt water. Boil plain water and add a little salt to it. Prefer rock salt if it is available with you. Then gargle with a glass of comfortably warm water. This will affect the virus in your throat area. 3 doorways via which a virus enters your system are your eyes, nose, and mouth. Gargling will sanitize your mouth and throat areas. The saline environment affects the protein structure of the virus and weakens it. Third tip: drink Ayurvedic decoction to boost your immunity. Ayurvedic decoction is also known as kashayam or kadha traditionally. Take 10 grams of ajwain seed, 5 grams of cumin seeds, 10 grams of black cumin seeds, 25 grams of coriander seeds, 5 grams of black pepper, and 5 grams of long pepper. Wash them and then crush them slightly with mortar and pestle. Put this mixture into liters of water and boil it on low flame for 10 minutes. Keep the container closed during boiling. After 10 minutes of boiling, filter it and store it in a thermal flask. An adult can take 200 milliliters of this kashayam every 2 hours. For those between 12 to 16 years, can take 100 milliliters of this kashayam every 2 hours. For those between the age of 5 to 12, take 50 milliliters of this kashayam every 2 hours. For children below 5 years, take only 25 milliliters of this kashayam. We will provide more details in the description. This kashayam will protect both gastrointestinal system as well as respiratory system. If it is difficult to follow for every 2 hours, you can take every 4 hours also. If you are infected, it is better to take every 2 hours. Fourth tip: consume citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are very good for improving the immune system. They are natural sources of vitamin C. One good way of consuming lemon can be honey lemon water. Add lemon juice and honey to slightly warm water, mix, and drink it. Please ensure that the water is not hot, as honey should not be heated. Also, ensure that you do not consume lemon seeds, only lemon juice. Fifth tip, eat moderately. As much as possible, consume a predominantly sattvic diet that is easy on your digestive system and agreeable to your system. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Eat only so much that a little amount of hunger remains. Drink plenty of water so that you never feel thirsty. Avoid cold water, particularly water from the refrigerator. Sixth tip, sleep well. Ensure a good night's sleep so that body gets the right amount of rest. It is suggested that you disconnect yourself from all sources of distractions like social media, television, videos, etc. at least 2 hours before your bedtime. Seventh tip, do not panic. Fear reduces immunity. Do whatever works to distract your mind from the fear, like avoid negative news, do pranayam and meditation, read positive books, listen to energetic and devotional songs, use positive affirmations, talk to friends and family members, etc. When the mind is positive, it helps the body to fight better. Body and mind influence each other. A healthy body needs a healthy mind also. Take necessary actions with all positivity and courage. How to easily follow these steps? Following these steps may look hassle at first. They are less hassle than finding a bed in a hospital, looking for oxygen cylinders, etc. An easy way to incorporate all of them into your life is to make them a part of your daily routine. Everyone brushes their teeth in the morning. It has become part of our daily life. When we do something regularly, at the same time, it becomes very easy to follow them. In the morning, after we brush our teeth and clean our tongue, we can follow with salt water gargling to sanitize our throat. Then do the steam inhalation to sanitize our nose. The next step can be to have lemon honey water. Make sure water is not hot and don't consume lemon seeds. After that, prepare the Ayurvedic kashaya and keep in a thermal flask and consume it every 2 hours. Repeat steam inhalation and water gargling once again in the evening. Your situation may force you to go outside. When you are back home, please remember to sanitize your hands and face with soap and water. Then immediately follow up with salt water gargling and steam inhalation. Take a 21 days challenge and do it for the next 21 days to make it part of your daily routine. Ask every family member to follow this routine. These 7 tips will act as a great support in your system's fight against COVID. The first 2, steam inhalation and salt water gargling, will make the virus weak. The next 2, citrus fruits and Ayurvedic kashayam, will boost up the body's immunity. The last 2, eat moderately and sleep well, will free up the system's energy to protect it. The final one is to face everything with positivity and courage. We resolve to help each other and face the situation boldly. Using these simple tips and stopping the virus at the 3 gates of eyes, nose, and mouth, we can very effectively protect our system. We need to protect our system so that we do not reach a state where we need a hospital bed or oxygen cylinder. A little daily effort can go long to protect our system and everyone around us. How can you help more? First, make these simple tips a part of your daily routine to protect yourself and your family. If everyone falls sick, no amount of hospitals are sufficient. Too many people fall sick will overwhelm even the best medical infrastructure of a country. It is not possible to create hospitals overnight. Even if that is possible, it is not possible to create doctors overnight. Our frontline doctors and nurses are doing their best. Let's do our best to make their job easy. Second, if you have any questions or confusion about these steps, ask us in the comment section. Third, please share this video with as many of your friends as possible. Help everyone to be aware of these natural, safe, time-tested, and economical steps. Fourth, if you have used one or more of these steps and found them useful, please share your experience in the comment section. This will encourage many others to try this out. Fifth, if you need these steps in a different language, please email to us. We will get back to you if we have steps written in that language. You will find the mail ID in the description section also. We have to respond to this crisis together, and it starts with the self and immediate family. Remember, once a person passes on to the other side, no force on earth, no scientist, no doctor, no leader can bring that person back. Better safe than sorry. We shall overcome. We will continue to share more details in the description.